The Nokia 7 Plus comes with a brand known for building reliable phones with a great build quality. It has a 6-inch Full HD Plus display and dual camera setup with Zeiss optics. The phone comes in two colors, black copper and white copper. Both variants come with a copper accent, giving it a premium look. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory, expandable up to 256GB with a microSD card. The phone is made from a single piece of aluminium with a 7.99mm thickness. It is coated with a ceramic fill layer and has a fingerprint sensor at the back for convenience. With an 18:9 aspect ratio, you get rich immersive entertainment. It provides for easy one-hand use and on-screen multitasking. It has a 12-megapixel plus 13-megapixel dual camera by Zeiss optics, which enables 2x optical zoom and live bokeh mode to focus on subject and blur the background. Capture 4K videos with great sound using the Nokia Spatial Audio, which uses 3 onboard mics. It has a 16-megapixel front camera and has a Bokeh mode, capturing images from both front and rear cameras at the same time. The phone runs on Android Oreo operating system. As part of the Android One program, the phone comes with no unnecessary apps and it will get regular security and OS upgrades. It is powered by a fast-charging 3800 mAh battery, which gives a 2-day battery life. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery, and payment through your debit or credit card.